Welcome to Go Go Mandarin Grammar.
华语语法战士。
Let's take a quick look at questions ending in
吗
is a Chinese question particle. You add
吗
to form a question that can be answered with yes or no. All you need to do is place
吗
at the end of a statement. A common greeting is
你好吗
the statement
你好
means you're well, but also hello in common usage. The sentence
你好吗
means are you well, and also how are you in context. Sometimes we add
请问
excuse me at the beginning of the sentence to show politeness, especially when we first meet someone.
你是林小姐
Is the statement you are Miss Lin. Ending with
吗
the sentence instead means excuse me, are you Miss Lin? But how do you reply to a
吗
question? As we mentioned, a
吗
question is a yes or no question using the speaker's verb. So you would respond
我是
if you are Miss Lin.
我不是
If you are not Miss Lin. Here's an example.
你喜欢我
Means you like me, while adding
吗
at the end of the statement
你喜欢我吗
means do you like me? Another example
你姓王
means your surname is Wáng. What if I want to express is your surname Wáng? I bet you got it right.
你姓王吗
Is your surname Wáng? Notice that there is no inversion in Chinese questions. Just simply add
吗
at the end. Now you try. You make a new friend and are curious if he or she was previously a
厨师
cook. How would you phrase the question ending with
吗你以前是厨师吗
were you a cook before? You got it. Wow, great. You've learned the grammar point
吗
to end a question.
简单吗
Is it easy? See you next time.